My Lennox iComfort thermostat 10F81 has died, white screen, and needs replacing. My landlord doesn't want to replace it with a new S30 screen due to the price and wants me to look into an Ecobee or Nest.
This system is a full HVAC with connectors C, I plus and R.
Are there any compatible thermostats that will work with this system that are cheaper than the proprietary Lennox S30? Thanks for your help.
Have you replaced your Lennox thermostat or parts of it before? If so, how long ago?
No.
How long has this been going on with your Lennox thermostat? What have you tried so far?
2 days. Screen is white. I have attempted to reset it several times by removing it. Upon startup it blinks once, then a secondary white screen loads with lines down the right side of the screen. Air conditioning is still running, thank goodness.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
The S30 is indeed compatible, but the Ecobee or Nest are not. The iComfort series is a proprietary Lennox communicating platform. The others are considered conventional thermostats, and will limit some of the communication benefits.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.